Crypto CEOs join U.S. CFTC's Innovation Council to steer market developments. The chief executives of firms such as Gemini and Kraken will pitch in on U.S. policy efforts through the Council's future public discussions. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission has announced the initial names as it stands up its CEO Innovation Council meant to delve into derivatives market structure developments, especially around tokenization, crypto, and blockchain technology. Prominent crypto sector CEO names such as Gemini's Tyler Winklevoss, Kraken's Arjun Sethi, and Polymarket's Shayne Coplan will join chief executives from such mainstay firms as CME Group, Nasdaq, Intercontinental Exchange, and Cboe Group. I am grateful to the CEOs who have agreed to share their vision and experience with the Commission as we hit the ground running to prepare for the future and beyond, said CFTC Acting Chairman Caroline Pham in a statement. She said the group, whose names were gathered rapidly in a 2-week period, will be specifically focused on market structure developments in derivatives markets such as tokenization, crypto assets, 24/7 trading, perpetual contracts, prediction markets, and blockchain market infrastructure. The complete list for the incoming council is bullish is CoinDesk's parent company. The CEO Group's formation is the latest in a rapid-fire series of crypto developments from the CFTC and Pham. The interim chair is moving quickly to finish up the final priorities of her own crypto agenda. This week, the agency announced a pilot program for using crypto collateral in the derivatives market, which followed days after Pham's announcement that Bitnomial, whose CEO is on the council, had kicked off leveraged spot crypto trading she'd personally encouraged as acceptable under U.S. derivatives laws. These are expected to be the final days of her leadership tenure at the agency, with President Donald Trump's chairman nominee, Mike Selig, expected to be confirmed as soon as Wednesday by the Senate. Once he's sworn in, he'll arrive amid the deluge of new crypto policy work orchestrated by Pham. Though her interim chairmanship has been less than a year, she made crypto policy a central task of the derivatives watchdog, responding to President Donald Trump's directives to push friendly digital asset policy to make the U.S. a leading global hub. Similarly, Trump's Securities and Exchange Commission chairman, Paul Atkins, has also spent much of his bandwidth on his agency's program known as Project Crypto. Shayne Coplan, CEO, Polymarket Craig Donahue, CEO, Cboe Global Markets Terry Duffy, Chairman and CEO, CME Group Tom Farley, CEO, Bullish Adina Friedman, Chair and CEO, Nasdaq Luke Horston, CEO, Bitnomial Tariq Mansour, CEO, Kalshi Chris Marsalek, CEO, Crypto.com David Schwimmer, CEO, LSEG Arjun Sethi, Co-CEO, Kraken Jeff Sprecher, CEO, Intercontinental Exchange Tyler Winklevoss, CEO, Gemini.